The what?
Oh, mine's faster.
I'm sorry. He doesn't have the best brakes.
Oh fuck, I forgot the mag sauce.
Oh, you need some?
No, I forgot to put some on. Hold on.
Oh, shit.
Man, don't fucking get out of the car in the middle of the highway. You know the rules. We got fun.
I told you it was next.
Also talking to your mic, you sound like you fucking dove out real quick.
I did so.
Right there. This is like, yeah.
Eventually.
I remember when I died.
I'm good.
Alright. Ooh, that was nice.
Okay, you see what say hi? Oh! He had a wild drift and then he just did that.
Damn, dude! Yo! Okay, did you see what happened? I hope you did.
Flashback. End of flashback.
Was there an AI like in the sky?
Here's what happened on my screen, right? I was squeezing through it, everything was looking good, and then this fucking Mustang hits the wall, goes sideways, I hit him, and then it throws me into you, and then we both ride the wall. Wall. What all 35-year-old women dread. Yeah, that's what happened.
Traffic should clear up around 1 o'clock. Hold on, this guy's dancing. Okay, oh, he's got his life together. Oh, he's got out. Go. Oh, sweet.
Oh,
You good?
part of the road am I on?
You need a telly?
Hold on. Wait, oh, I'm on the way back. Yeah, I can
No, get out. Need a telly?
Yeah, I need to tell it.
I'm in the water.
Ooh, I see you. Every waste zone sucks.
Oh!
could have fun in this raptor. My bad. Bro. No. I was in midair. I'm like, no. Into where you're on a copy mission. That was horrible. It looked so intentional for my part. I was like, no, bro, I'm in the air like fuck. I was slamming the brake going, and it just right into me. Oh. I thought you were about to hit that. I'm not mad. I'm not mad because I understand. You just can't drive like you do. I really fucking clutch for getting that. What? Oh my god, a two-wheel recovery! I wish you could have seen that. I can't flash play it. That shit was gnarly. It looked like one of the stunts. Those GTA drivers for on purpose. I heard that man. Hey, y'all, fuck y'all, bro. Yeah, yelling for those. Bro, you fucking got destroyed.